In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create favicon in Figma. A favicon is the tiny icon you see on browser tabs, bookmarks, and shortcuts, and it's a powerful way to make your brand recognizable at a glance. We'll use a ready-made template from the Figma community, bring it into your workspace, and customize it to fit your brand. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access community files and edit them in your account. From the homepage, click on the community section. This is where designers share files, templates, and resources you can reuse. It's the fastest way to get a clean, scalable starting point without building everything from scratch. In the community search bar, type the word favicon and press enter. You'll see a variety of templates and packs designed specifically for favicon work. Look for options that include square canvases and clear documentation. A good template will show multiple sizes or provide a single master icon frame that scales well. Choose a template you like and click it to open the files page. Take a quick look at the preview and description to confirm it includes what you need. When you're ready, click Open in Figma. This will duplicate the file into your drafts or team space so you can work on it freely. Once the file opens, locate the favicon element or frame you want to use. Use the regular move tool to select the icon or frame, then copy it. If the template includes multiple variations, pick the one closest to your brand so you'll need fewer tweaks. Switch to your own Figma project and paste the favicon into your working file. It's a good idea to keep it inside an assets or branding frame so it stays organized with your other brand elements. Now customize it, replace placeholder shapes with your logo mark or a single letter, adjust the colors to your brand palette, and simplify details so the icon remains crisp at very small sizes. Aim for strong contrast, bold shapes, and minimal tiny strokes. Keep the canvas square. Many templates use 16, 32, or 48 pixel frames. Designing on a larger square within the template and keeping strokes aligned to the pixel grid will help it scale cleanly. Test readability by zooming out to simulate tab size and checking against both light and dark backgrounds. And that's it. You went to Figma, opened a community template, copied the favicon, pasted it into your project, and customized it to match your brand. Save your file, and you're ready to use your new favicon across your designs.